back out at the speedrun spot. I actually found them on the ground, obviously, from one of my crashes many months ago. It actually ripped one of my splitters out. So these are the two front bulkhead bolts that go under the front differential. So they're the big M4 bolts. Now we're going to be getting all the rust off, and I'm going to make them look perfect, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now what rust is actually the chemical reaction of metal or iron when it hits moisture, and over time when it dries it turns into an oxide. Basically that's what that yellow orange-ish rust color that you see. Now there are a few steps that you do have to do in order to make them look really nice again, and I'm going to show you. Alright, now step one, what you want to do is get a bag and PB Blaster. Basically it's a rust penetrant, so this is the stuff that makes anything and everything really work and all that. Spray a little bit in there. Now I'm going to do one because I want to show you guys the difference before and after. So I like to spray a little bit before and a little bit after. Two, normally I have another bag because it smells really bad. It's just a really strong smell. What you want to do is just leave it in here for about 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll see once it gets done soaking. Alright, so as you can see, it's been soaking in here for about a good 5 minutes. Now, if you want to avoid a lot of mess, wherever you are, I'm in my room, it's just, where I work. Certainly get like a little magnetic pickup, stick it in there, shake it out a little, and there you go. So there's that. Now, as you can see, it already isn't as brown as before, or that reddish orange, yellow, I don't know what color it is, but it's not as rusty as it is before. So we have this right here, and what you want to do is just leave it out and just make sure everything is just soaked all around. And you will be needing a wire brush, or if you do have a Dremel with the wire brush attachment, that'll be a bigger plus. It's just a lot more efficient than doing it this way, but it still certainly works. Make sure it's a steel kind of wire, not copper. So yeah, we'll start doing this now. So basically, if you have vice grips, or if you don't have a table vise, that's alright. I'm going to use vice grips. It'd be nice to have a table vise. But there, so now we can hold it. And turn it maybe just not all the way up, but decent RPM. And make sure you're wearing eye protection as well. I'm wearing glasses right now. You guys actually have the Dremel, but basically it helps get in all the threads of the screw. It helps clean everything up really well. Or obviously you could get this for $3 or $2, however much it was. It's really cheap, and it still gets the job done. You just have to have more elbow grease. So yeah, if we look at it, it's pretty darn good. But what I like to do on top of that, to top it off and make it even better, to get the rest of it off, is it's basically more penetrant. It's not the same thing as PB Blaster, but this is more like WD-40. Now I'll just spray some on it, make sure it's all around, just like that. We're gonna see how much more can come off. Yeah, look at that. Still more rust. Now we're gonna try the head. Yep, still more stuff coming off. Amazing. There it is. It looks brand spanking new. Alright, so here we are, final outcome. This is the same exact screw that I showed you guys that was completely covered in rust before I did anything on it. And if you guys don't want to believe it because this is an edited video, it's completely alright. I'll take that as a compliment because this is completely real. you know, and there are a bunch of guys that know how to do this, but I just thought I'd put this out there. You know, it's a perfect opportunity. Yeah, so hope you guys gain from this. Have a good one.